What's the meaning of avoid? Avoid. Avoid.
Avoid. Avoid. The word avoid means to stay away from or prevent something from happening. It implies a conscious effort to steer clear of potential harm or unwanted situations. Avoidance can involve taking measures to eliminate the risk of exposure, maintaining a safe distance, or avoiding certain actions altogether. Avoidance behavior is often motivated by fear, anxiety, or a desire to protect oneself from negative consequences. The result of successfully avoiding something is the attainment of safety and security, both physically and emotionally. Avoidance can be a powerful tool for self-protection, but it can also limit growth and positive experiences if used excessively.